Recently, Dave Yar, who is a 3D artist, asked me to look into augmented reality, since augmented reality can be done in Flash. So what is augmented reality? It's a technology that superimposes a computer-generated image on a user's view of the real world, thus providing a composite view. So I made a little application from a tutorial, and the way it works is we have a pattern, and the pattern is recognized by the program, and here the pattern calls up a SMAPI. So this is a little 3D model, and we can use a different pattern, in this case barcode, and now this barcode pulls up a 3D model of the Earth. However, we can also change that, which we do by now just exchanging the patterns in the data file, and we now just load the new data file, start the web camera again, and now everything is exchanged. The tower pulls up the Earth, and the barcode pulls up SMAPI. We can also use animated models, and in the next little scene you can see an animated SMAPI. We did the animation in Flash here, however the animation can also be done and of course it's much better in the 3D model application. So now we wanted to see, can we use just an external video, just a film shot with a video camera. And here's a booklet which I open, and there is a pattern and there is a woman. This woman is a 3D model from the program Posa, which is already a ready-made model. And as you can see, we can turn the model, and that's it. Thank you for your interest in and watching this.